Standard 3, Subject English, Unit 1, Poem, A Pretty Game. Let us read the whole poem first. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn will try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. Poet is unknown. The title of the poem, A Pretty Game. Meaning of pretty, there are many meanings for this word. Some I have written here. Meaning of pretty, attractive, lovely, good looking, beautiful, nice, etc. etc. So this poem is about sun and the rain who are playing hide and seek. What is meant by hide and seek? You may know, but still I will explain. Hide and seek is an outdoor game. It is played among more than one friend. One friend or one person will close his or her eyes and count till 20, 50 or 100. Rest friends will hide. After counting, he has to find his friends from their hiding place. So I hope you all may have played hide and seek at least once in your life. Yes? Yes. So let us read the first 4 lines. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn will try to chase the other from his hiding place. Meaning of fickle, changing. Now here, meaning of fickle weather, changing weather. For example, sometimes the weather is hot. Sometimes the weather is cold. Sometimes the weather is humid, or it may rain. Now meaning of weather, it is the state of the atmosphere. Explanation, the sun and the rain were playing hide and seek in the changing weather or in the changing atmosphere. Rhyming word of weather, together. Rhyming word of together, weather. So the sun and the rain in the fickle weather were playing hide and seek together. Next 2 lines, and each in turn will try to chase the other from his hiding place. Meaning of chase, to catch. Explanation, in these 2 lines, how hide and seek is played is mentioned. I have explained earlier. Here, whoever's turn comes first will try to find out the other person from its hiding place. So, and each in turn will try to chase the other from its hiding place. So students, I hope these 4 lines are clear to you. You may have now understood who is playing hide and seek here. The sun and the rain is playing hide and seek here. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn will try to chase the other from his hiding place. Last 2 lines. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. Meaning of lo. Lo is used to draw attention to an interesting or amazing event. Or you can say just see what a beautiful sight. You can see it casually. Just see what a beautiful sight. What an amazing sight. Meaning of lo. In English, lo is used to draw attention to an interesting or amazing event. Explanation, after playing hide and seek for some time, finally they stopped the game and they are meeting here to say Greetings. They are giving greetings to each other. Now, what is the greeting mentioned here? Here they are saying goodbye. While saying goodbye, what did they see? Yes, they saw a beautiful rainbow. They saw a beautiful rainbow that has covered the whole sky. A beautiful rainbow spanned the sky. Meaning of spanned, something that covers from one end to the another end. Meaning of spanned, something that covers from one end to the another end or other end. So let us read the last two lines. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. I hope this poem, A Pretty Game, is clear to you. Let us read the whole poem. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. Poet is unknown. Now let us discuss the notes. Here you can see meanings are already given. First word, fickle, something that changes quickly or suddenly. I already said fickle means changing weather. Chase, run after somebody to catch that person. These meanings are little elaborated. I gave short meanings. To chase means to catch. Both are same. Spanned, to spread from one end to the other. Below, things to do. Read the poem aloud. Reading is already done. Here, as an homework, you can write this poem one time in your classwork notebook. Second question, how do you play hide and seek? Tell it in short. So I have already given the answer here. See below. I have many friends in my neighborhood. We play hide and seek in the evening in the playground. One of my friends closes his eyes and count till 50, and rest of us go and hide. After counting, he has to come and find us. Third question, name any 5 other games that you play and enjoy. I like playing carom, ludo. Carom and ludo are indoor games. I like playing carom, ludo, cricket, football and kho-kho. Cricket, football and kho-kho are outdoor games. So I like playing carom, ludo, cricket, football and kho-kho. Fourth one, copy the names of the colors of rainbow given below. Some names are given here. As you know, there are 7 colors in a rainbow. They are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So these are your hard words. You can write these hard words one time in your English classwork notebook. Fifth question, draw a picture of a rainbow. This is an activity. Rainbow's image is already given in the poetry. You can even Google it. You will get lot of clip arts of beautiful rainbows. This drawing has to be done in the English classwork notebook one time. Last question, write other words related to weather. I have already given the answer. Other words related to weather are rainbow, rain, fog, winter, storm. There are still many words, but 5 words are enough. So, other words related to weather are rainbow, rain, fog, winter, storm. What are the other words related to sky? Sunset, sunrise, air, rain. Thank you.